Total Wireless Review 2025, Best Budget Carrier or Total Waste? Cheap phone plans sound great, but are they actually worth it? Total Wireless has been gaining attention in 2025, and the surprising truth is that it's better than many people expect. Total Wireless operates on a major nationwide network, which means coverage is strong in cities and suburban areas. Call quality and data reliability are generally solid for everyday use like browsing, streaming, and navigation. Plans are affordable, with unlimited talk and text and generous data limits at prices far below traditional carriers. This makes Total Wireless appealing for families, students, and anyone watching their budget. Here's where most people get this wrong. Data speeds may slow during network congestion. If you rely heavily on hotspot usage or high-speed data all day, you might notice limits. Customer support is another mixed area. While online tools and apps work fine, live support can be slower compared to premium carriers. On the positive side, there are no contracts. You pay month to month, and switching is easy. Total Wireless also supports most unlocked phones, which adds flexibility. The surprising truth is that for the average user, Total Wireless delivers exactly what it promises: affordable service without unnecessary extras. So is it the best budget carrier or a total waste? In 2025, it's a strong choice if you want reliable basics at a low price. If saving money matters more than premium perks, Total Wireless deserves a serious look. Subscribe for more honest carrier reviews.